This is what I've been waiting for. Welcome to another episode of Nature Growers TV. I'm your host Julie, and today I want to show you my green chilies. Yeah! So this is a new chili plant. That is the chili I harvested last season, but now we have new chili plants to harvest. So I want to give you a tour of the chili plants I have. That is a small chili plant, and this one is a volunteer plant. Those ones too, the nice chili. I started this chili from zero cost seed, and 3 years in, I'm still getting chili. So heavy downpour, parts of the country are flooded, so you can see the yellowing of leaves, but we have some green chili. So this is an old tree. So it has some tiny chili fruits. So at this stage, I can harvest the green chili and enjoy it. Unaongeza ndani kwa sufuria yako. Green chili is super nice, especially if your tummy is easily irritated when you eat lots of red hot chili. And the more you harvest the green chili, the more you stimulate more flower production and more chili fruits. And so, book a date with me to harvest green chili in my suburban garden.